Greetings, all. Welcome to LMH Storytime. Today's book, Blue Sky, White Stars by Sarvinder Naberhaus, illustrated by Kadir Nelson. Blue sky, white stars. Blue sky, white stars. Red rose, red rose. White rose, white rose. Red, white, and blue. Old glory, old glory. Sea waves, sea waves. Sewn together, one nation. Sew together, one nation. Well worn, well worn. Woven together, woven together. All American, all American. Stand proud, stand proud. Rising up, rising up. Fly high, fly high. Freedom. Red, white, blue sky, white stars, forever. The end. Thanks for reading Blue Sky, White Stars with us on LMH Storytime. If you like this story, give us a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and leave a comment about this story or other stories you'd like to hear. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new story. We'll see you next time. Happy reading.